Hi everyone, I'm here again. I know I've done videos about iron and ironing in the past, but I just feel I should still share it, how I like to share. Okay, so here is one reason, or one of the reasons you should own an industrial steam iron like this one. And you can get this one from us, ABSL Fashion. Okay, so this is a brocade fabric. Yeah, it's a brocade. This is not damask, so it's an embossed one. And remember, I always say you should iron your fabrics before cotton. It's a form of pre-shrinking, because normally you're supposed to pre-shrink your fabric, and because you cannot always wash client's fabric, you can do so. You can pre-shrink using a steam iron, not a dry iron. So you need this type of iron in your life, and you should come and buy it from us. So that's the purpose of this video. We are doing 40 for 40, something sales. Okay, so here is a fabric that we're about to sew, and like I said, it's a norm here at ABS that you have to iron your fabrics first before you cut. And this is going to tell you if the first is to straighten your fabric, the folded part and all of that, so that you have accurate measurements. Once the folds that comes with them from factory, you have to straighten them, and most importantly, to know if the fabric is going to shrink. Okay, so we're gonna see if this fabric is going to shrink, and this is why you need this. Water I finished in this iron. See, water I finished. They did not put water, so we are going to pause and put water, because it's not going to bring out steam anymore. See, I'm pressing it and it's not coming. Okay, so I'll advise you use distilled water. You want with copy water. Alright, you can mix it, or you can use a descaler to prevent scales forming in your iron. Once scales start forming, you won't have it's going to block the holes that the steam comes out from. Okay, so the serious something. Even iron is drinking pure water. Okay, so it's back in its position. So we're going to wait for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. See? You can see the difference. You can see pshim, pshim. You can hear pshim, pshim. But we'll wait for another 30 seconds. Okay, so I think the iron is ready. The steam is ready. You can hear pshim, pshim. Okay, so we're going to put it on here to see if this is going to shrink. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing what's going on? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing the fabric folding? You see why you should always iron your fabrics before. Are you seeing it? Can you see the shrinkage? So imagine you have cut this out using your pattern, and you want to add underlay and interfacing. Interfacing, you have to it has gum, and you have to gum it on your underlay together with this kind of fabric. Imagine you've cut it and you just put the iron on the fabric. The next thing is going to be shrinkage. it's going to become smaller. Can you see? Are you seeing the shrinkage? So it is very important to pre-shrink your fabrics before cutting. And that is why you need this iron in your life. It's 37,000 naira only. We have two designs. We have one with a bigger container, and it's 38,500. This has 3 liters container. It is 37,000 naira. It comes with the iron stand, the iron itself, which you are paying for, and the Teflon shoe. The Teflon shoe will protect your clothes from burning. Okay, so if you need this in your business, you can chat me up via inbox, or you can call the number in the caption. Okay, bye. Bye-bye.